This is question number 11. In the movie Gulam, Amir is able to spot the approaching train when it is 2 kilometers away. He has to run towards the train and reach the red kerchief hung on the pole 400 meters away from him before the train reaches the pole. How fast must Amir run if the speed of the train is 36 kilometers per hour so that he just manages to reach the kerchief at the same time as the train reaches it? Obviously, if you must have watched this movie, you must have seen this example, right? You remember this scene? Something similar like that, and we are trying to frame a question on TSD regarding this. Okay, so let's begin our discussion. So imagine, this is the path, train path. Amir is here, right? In the movie Gulam, Amir is able to spot the approaching train when it is 2 kilometers away. So maybe the train is here. So this is 2 kilometers, right? Okay. Now he has to run towards the train and reach the red kerchief hung on the pole 400 meters away from him. So somewhere here there is a red kerchief, right? And this is 400 meters away from him, and he has to run towards the train and reach the red kerchief hung on the pole 400 meters away from him before the train reaches the pole. How fast must the Amir run if the speed of the train is 36 kilometers? So he just managed to reach the kerchief at the same time as the train reaches. So what happens? Amir has to run towards the kerchief, and again train also has to reach exactly there, and it's traveling at 36 kilometers per hour, right? And then he has to take the kerchief and get out of that, otherwise he will be down the lane. Anyways, this is all the information given. 2000 meters here is the different distance between Amir and train has to reach this point, Amir has to reach this point exactly at the same duration of time. Again, you must have figured the logic behind this question, right? TST question is this, and what is your trained eye must understand what part is constant. That's all end of the game when you do that, right? It must be, if you're following all the 10 questions previously, this is all about the identification of constant, and then you can use proportionality theorem, right? That saves your time, saves everything. Maybe you can do orally if you can imagine the situation. Don't need to even take all these things. So let's begin. So now what happens if Amir is traveling 400 meters till here? So train will travel 1600 meters, right? That is very simple to understand. And then as I have said, time is constant, d is directly proportional to s. So what will happen? d1 by d2 will be equal to s1 by s2. So d1 by d2 is 16 by 4, that is equals to 4:1, and that is 36 is given, and then x. So x will be nothing as 9 kilometers per hour. As you can see, such kind of questions can be made with a story format and asked. That is your answer. How fast Amir must run, and you can see these all basic trained eyes can help you solve these questions orally. Maybe you don't even need to do all these things. Just for the explanation's sake, I have made the diagram and explained you, but you don't need that. So if any doubt, please post in the comment section. I hope this question was very easy for you, and you're learning TSD slowly using all the cases which I'm discussing right now. Okay, thank you for watching this video.